back in the video. Slotty833. He doesn't want to talk to me today. Oh, he's got his earphones in. I've got starting a vlog. Diogo's there, and today we're going to go down to Home Bargains because, like, why not? We've been too much in one spot. Ooh. So yeah, not really anything interesting. Might see a couple people out. But yeah, let's get straight into it. Pumped, and then we're gonna go Home Bargains. Now it should be much. Oh yes, yes. Trust me. So yeah. Now the bikes are working, running good, running smooth. Alright then, I was already doing knee knock, seat steps, further frame, seat stand, just getting, getting the rustiness off the bones. Well, now we're going to do a couple of swerves for everyone. So yeah, who wants to go first? Fun. trying to do like a little bit of swerve there, but for me it's too small. For me to do it good, like how a manual swerve, I need it wider, but I can work with it. It's just that'll be better. Oh, fuck. Not volume or swerve, but oh. What was that? I saw someone, yeah. Oh, yeah. I see someone on Instagram the other day into a frame stand and then foot over bar. But it's so hard. Yeah, I know. But it's just it's too much more easier because I was standing up. Like, hold on. Frame stand. I can't really. I don't have to balance on my left leg really a lot. So it's kind of it's like kind of a new thing for this leg here. Oh, he's trying that. Basically, you just go slow on here, innit? Just learn how to keep your balance. Because it's a small path. This is how I learn. Oh, this is how I'm learning how to go slow. Is on these bits. Like, you go through here, go in and out. Like, you just try to do little bits like that. Ooh! Oh! Right. So next, as I keep on trying the little bits in between, so like to knee knock, then you go sheet step, then sheets, yeah. So I'm doing all of them ones while learning, but I just thought of trying to foot manual because maybe I could like do it longer if I don't have to foot manual, so I can get adjust to the foot being on a bike with the bike you can go straight. So I'm going to try and foot manual. It's a bit dodgy sometimes because my leg goes like that and I feel like I'm going to flip to the side like this. But yeah, see how long. Oh, need to get a little more speed. Let's try that again. It's raining. It's so sketchy because I know how to manual with this one on the frame, but I don't know how to manual with this one on the frame. Which I think before I start doing other tricks, I'm going to slow down, learn how to get my balance a bit better on the frame. And then, because if I keep going on, I reckon I would be able to land them, but trouble is, I can keep learning these tricks, but if I'm not going fast, I'm not really gonna get where I want to be because I need to be doing combos soon. Oh, almost. Yeah. I'm gonna get into some like frame stands, just seat stands, just manual it, get back. I'll come back to you in like 10-20 minutes, show some progress. Yeah. Alright then, so as it's a bit dripping, we're not going to film too much in the rain, so I'm going to do bike check. I'm going to do my bike. If they want to do theirs, want me to do theirs, then I'll do theirs. But yeah, if you don't know, it's a specialized P2. You've got the P1 and you've got the P2. I'm not sure if there's a P3 or not, but yeah. It's fully customized. There's literally nothing on the bike that came with it when I bought the frame, apart from the headset. But yeah, we'll start straight from here. We've got, this is just a normal Kura back wheel, which I got off my Subway one. Obviously he's got the Kinder tyre on it in the back because I want to get new ones, but this one's literally not that bad, so it's alright still. We've got Shimano Dior. We've got SRAM X3s for the derailleur. I'll do a little montage in a second, but yeah, I'm going to let you know what I have. I've got the ODI Hucker grips. If you don't know about them, these are really nice and really comfortable, and they're long as well. So if you like keeping your hands like in the middle of the bars, you're still gonna have like this much out here. So yeah, we just got some original blue spaces. Then we got the Top Hope one, which Lucas gave that to me, and then we've got some Astro bars, which I actually just got them off eBay, which they're really nice rise up ones. If you can see, forgot to tell you about the shifters. We've got SRAM X4s in for the shifters. This wheel I got off literally out of Randy's. It's £40, but it's actually a really nice wheel. And it literally, I like the curve that goes around here, and it really goes well with the frame obviously as well. And the forks, it came with the bike I gave away to Gonzalo, that Land Rover. I'm pretty sure I don't know if you've seen that vlog or not, but you'll be able to see the vlog somewhere down below if you keep on scrolling. But yeah, and then after I just got some standard bottom brackets. Literally, I wanted to get blue one because it would suit my bike better, because I didn't want to have too much of standard black. And then obviously I've got black IXFs, DMRs, blue ones, V6s, and obviously the Black Lives Matter Mafia bikes. Not really much to do with the seat pod. That literally came. Actually, this came with the bike, the seat pod and the seat clamp. But oh, and we've got this stem. This stem is from eBay as well. But I tried to find one which no one really had, which I haven't seen no one with this one yet, and I really like it because look. Yeah, the dust caps is not really a big thing, but yeah, we've got blue dust caps on, and obviously we've got a little bandana to keep it, you know, a little bit of swag on it. So yeah. So here we've got a GT trial. I'm not sure exactly what version it is, but it is a trial bike, and I like what mostly I like about this frame as well, right? It's because it's got these stamped things on here, which is actually really sick, and it's got another one here in it. Yeah, it's got another one here, but yeah, it's fully customized. It's got these are Mafia forks, isn't it? You got Mafia suspension forks. You got Clark S2s for the brakes. You got ODIs, obviously. You got a wake stem. You got a wake top cap. I really like this one. This one's unique. Not much we get. Imagine if that video got demonetized because of that fucking top cap. But anyway, we've got these tires here because he was trying to look for snake skins or hook ones, but they don't have a 27.5, so he got these from Halfords, which is actually really nice ones, if you can see. And these bits here grip onto the swerves, so which is really nice. But yeah, this wheel you got this one off eBay, innit? Because you was trying to be patient. Yeah, he wasn't patient enough, so you got this one to match this one, which is the same as my front one, but he got the back one. I still need to get the back one at some point. He's got the same seat as me, but he's got the white back plate. Oh, I forgot about the bars. He got wake bars. These ones I haven't seen no one with these ones yet. I've only seen people with the standard ones, which the blue ones that I had on, where people got them in like red, gold, blue, whatever. And then you got a camo grip tape. This one here, you got this one from eBay. Now. If anybody wants to know, you got that one from eBay. I got mine from eBay as well. I forgot to say all about that. It's a cheetah print. You got the camo print. He got IXFs as well. He's got the original. He bought the original Shimano bottom bracket with that. And after he got these, where'd you get these pedals from? Rally Cycles. Yeah, apparently there's actually a lot of people that are using these instead of DMRs, and they're actually £30, which the V6s are only 18. So yeah, and obviously it's got SRAM X5s. So quick, because we was trying to find it straight away at Randy Cycles, but they only had the X5, so he just grabbed these instead. Then he got obviously the X5s to match it, shifters to go with it, because I've got the X3s and the X4s. But yeah, and then he's obviously got like a little custom nice like sticker here that he got with his Air Force.
Put out the Nike there, hold on, to show them properly.
Yeah, the Nike sticker. So yeah, and obviously we've got obviously like the little like everyone's got like one of these zip ties to match with the bike. So yeah. Oh, and I forgot to tell, he's got this a disc rotor, which not everyone really has. Everyone just has like the Shimano standard one, so which is that I find that pretty sick. I wanted to get one for mine, but this is already Shimano and a Shimano dual, it's only right to keep it like that. But yeah, that's his one. And then we go over here. Oh, wait, you just got standard red spaces in it. I forgot about that. Just got a standard red spacer, yeah. Yeah. Just a standard red spacer, like my blue ones, isn't it? So yeah. Over here we've got Lucas. I don't know why it's changed so many times. Nah, but yeah. Blue and red. But yeah. So you're gonna keep it blue and red now. But yeah. As you can see, he's changed his. I'm gonna say I thought it's just changed to a clip. I don't know what I just done that. But yeah, as you can see, he's got a red stem. He's changed it from I don't know what the other one was called, but yeah, but it apparently had chips on here and he wanted to change it. But yeah. And original spacers, he's just got standard ones, black ones, red ones, and he's got a chrome one. He's got the Shimano brake that, if you're an OG, not like sort of an OG, but if you was here since like 100 subscribers, maybe 150, you'd see that when we got this one. So yeah, he's got these grips. He's actually not ODI. He's actually from Spokeworks, just down the road. £10 Spokeworks. I'm giving you a plug right here. These are what they're called. I don't know if you can see that. Most will be able to see it when it's on like a phone or something. Obviously he's got rock shocks. I don't know what version they are, but these are the ones where basically if you turn it around, look, you turn it around the other way, the forks go down and you can push them up. So which these are sick. And this wheel came off a Land Rover actually, so which is actually not the same wheels, but it looks exactly like the same wheels. He's got the same back wheel as the same as the one that have in front as Joker has in the back. He's got a collective seat. He's got the same shifters and gears as me, Shrimex 3s and Shrimex 4s on top. DMRs, we literally got these recently. So if you're not new, you'd know these for sure. And our sprocket, they're literally all the same. I forgot to tell you a lot about that, but our sprocket are literally all the same. They're literally like 10 to 15 pound, depends if you want to get the bolts as well, innit? What else are we missing? Any big things? That's not really big things. Cables, that's just standard. That's just a standard cable that everyone has that lot. I have a blue one. Joga has a red one. He has a red one. And then he's got collective sticker which he got off Tay, and he got this sticker which he got off Joga, which he got with his Air Force. But yeah, let's jump into a quick montage so you can see the parts a bit better. You can't forget he's still got the original Sloppy Rider sticker, which are actually, where are they? No, they're up here. They're up there. I don't know if you lot can see that, but we still got one up there, and one over here when we first started vlogging. So yeah, let's jump straight into our montage of our bike so you can see the parts a bit better. Sorry if this is a bit long, but it's a bike check and a bit of practice into it as well. No one has came yet, which is actually really peak when I told them, well, not peak, which is actually kind of, how do I say it? I don't know, but no one's here yet. So yeah, we're gonna get into a montage like I just said. See the parts better. So let's Now, if you don't want to see how we do our thumbnails, well, how we recently started doing them anyway. Get your phone. Oh. You get something your phone can sit on, obviously, the cone. Start recording. Set your phone down. Yo, quick! Thumbnail! Quick, Lucas! Oh. And that's how you get a thumbnail. And basically, all you gotta do now is there's pictures on my phone you cannot see, my friends. I'm sorry. So now you go on here. So now it's recording. And now we're gonna go here. And that's the thumbnail. Done. Hey, I don't know if you lot can see it, but it's raining ice right now. Hail. Look how dirty that water is. Dirty. Right. Hey, I tell you what though, for coats, I'm letting the vlog know that they do nice coats for the rain. I'm not gonna lie. This one's thinner than my silver one that you lot used to see me ride with, and this one the rain isn't really going through. What?
Alan, we were trying to have a go with pig, yeah, and Victor said, oh, Alan, let me.
I give you England's weather. This weather is so shit. When it's fucking raining, I feel like a fucking prick for coming out of biking in the dry weather, and then when I come out, it's just fucking wetting. I don't know what the fuck that last one was there all about, but yeah. I couldn't watch. I fuck.